How to fix a BSNL SIM OTP not receiving problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if in your BSNL SIM, okay, if you are unable to receive the OTP, then guys, how you can fix this problem? Today in this video I'm going to tell you the solution for this. Okay, if you have a BSNL sim and if you are unable to receive the OTP in BSNL sim, then guys, watch this video. By watching this video you can simply fix the problem. Okay, so whatever the solution it is, you have to follow everything and watch the every solution which I am going to show you in this video, and you have to follow the solution. Okay, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial. So guys, at the first, what you have to do if your BSNL sim is unable to receive the OTP, so make sure that you have a recharge on your sim. Okay, make sure that you have a recharge on your sim so that you will not face the problem. Okay, and guys, let's go to here on your dialer. Okay, here I'll show you something which might be your culprit. So let's go to setting, and then guys, if you open the block list, okay, there is one option saying SMS block list. So turn on your SMS block list, and guys, make sure that your message from stranger is allowed. Okay, message from stranger should be allowed. Otherwise, if it is blocked, then guys, you cannot receive uh, OTP message, because OTP will always come from unknown number. Okay, OTP messages will always send you from the unknown numbers, which we never know which number, from which number they are going to send us. Okay, so we cannot save that number as well. So you have to unblock this. Okay, make it allow, and then guys, try again and you will get the OTP or verification code, and then your problem will be fixed. Okay, so this is the first solution to fix your problem. So this is the biggest reason behind it. Okay, so make sure to disable it, and then guys, if your problem is fixed, then your job is done. And if you are still having the same problem out here, then guys, watch this out. Okay, you have to do other solution for this. So for that, you have to go to setting and then scroll it down, and here you have to go to apps and then go to manage apps, or you may find here install apps. Okay, and then you have to search here for the messaging, because we sometimes we get problems on our messaging. Okay, so just you have to search here for the messaging, and then you have to open it, and then you have to clear the data of the messaging. Okay, so just clear all the datas, and now you have to go to here the permissions. So go to the permissions, allow the permissions, make sure to allow all the permission, and then guys, restart your device. Your problem will be fixed and you will be able to receive the verification code. Okay, so this is how you can fix the OTP not receiving problem in your BSNL sim. And guys, if you face this kind of problem in future, then guys, call to your customer service. Okay, they will tell you why you face this kind of problem and they will solve it. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.